The mountains turn to silhouettes. A gentle breeze moves through the trees as evening settles on the shore. The ocean whispers through the night. The stars come shining one by one, and underneath that endless sky, I hear Manua calling me home. Midnight blue in Manua, moonlight dancing on the sea. Midnight blue in Manua, there's no other place like this to me. From the mountains to the ocean, every wave brings memories through. My heart will always find its way back to Manua's midnight blue. Beneath the stars, the sound of waves upon the reef, the warm night air, the swaying trees, and all the places dear to me. Though many miles may lie between the life I live and where I'm from, there's something distance cannot change. Manua will always be my home. Midnight blue in Manua, moonlight dancing on the sea. Midnight blue in Manua, there's no other place like this to me. From the mountains to the ocean, every wave brings memories through. My heart will always find its way back to Manua's midnight blue. And if someday I cross that ocean and see those islands once again, I'll stand beneath the Manua sky and let that night take me back then. No matter where this road may lead me, no matter what this life goes through, a piece of me will always remain underneath that midnight blue. Midnight blue in Manua, moonlight dancing on the sea. Midnight blue in Manua, you'll always feel like home to me. From the mountains to the ocean, under stars forever true. always be